conquer, do you need to know your purpose? If you do not know your purpose, how do you conquer and find out? Vancouver, can you-
Dhruvraj, first thing you understand, do not expect your past to tell your purpose. Decide to create for yourself. We always think our past should tell our purpose. No. Create your purpose based on the input and intelligence from your past. Whatever you think as the best, create the purpose. Understand? Past is dead. If you are waiting for inspiration from it, you will never get. From dead things you get only smell, not inspiration. Now, most of the time you are sitting and waiting from your dead past, the inspiration will come out like an angel and possess you and drive you. No. That's never going to happen. People come and tell me, Swamiji, whatever repeatedly I think, should I take that as a purpose of me? No. Whatever actually your incompletion, you will be repeatedly thinking about that. Do enough of completion. From that completion space, you create your purpose. Do not wait for the purpose to come from inside you as accident. Dhruvraj, what you think as the best thing for your life, create the purpose. Creating the purpose will make you conquer life. Don't wait for some accidental or words, intuition coming from inside and all that. No. And Dhruvraj, I see you as potential being who can really conquer the life, who can really manifest what you want. So do not wait for your past to guide you. Your past is mostly incompletion. So if you are waiting for your intuition from the past, it will be mostly incompletion. So decide to create as you want. That will only conquer your life.